What's that ninja touching? What's that ninja touching? I'm pushing everybody.
Another banger.
It's your girl rareafrican. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do an unboxing on my first pair of moon boots. I am so super duper excited to show you guys my boots. I didn't even get the style that typically most people would get. I actually got one of their brand new, well, I don't know if it's like brand new, but newer styles that they do have. I don't know how long ago this dropped, but anywho, I have purchased me some moon boots and I have it right here. I did not open the box yet. It is still in its original packing. This came from all the way from Italy. I think so, Italy? Yeah. I'll leave the correct details in the description box. But let's go ahead and unbox this baby. I'm so super duper excited. I have a trip coming up. Obviously it's a winter trip, so that is coming up and I wanted to show you guys these boots. Just wanted to do an unboxing kind of video on my channel and show you guys if it's worth it. So yeah, because I've seen moon boots all over social media. Specifically, I'm gonna add the pictures here, those kind of moon boots, that style, the more affordable ones, but I went ahead and got the expensive but somewhat affordable, because they do have some styles that it's like, I think a collab or something, but they're really nice. Like, I'll put some more pictures here on the side to show you guys. Like, those ones are so cute, but they're so expensive. Anywho, I really wanted to get me, oh my gosh, I'm trying to open this up. I really wanted something that you can tell it's a moon boot, but also I can pair up, I can wear with anything. Like, pretty much wear with all my winter stuff if I wanted to. Or even just like, I think people wear moon boots even like a regular kind of thing. It doesn't even have to be like in the snow. But I really wanted it to be some really good snow boots. I haven't had snow boots in some time. Like, I think the last time I had snow boots was like when I was a child, really. So this is my first pair of snow boots as an adult. And I'm so super duper excited. So I'm gonna show you guys montages and clips of this because I don't know how I'm gonna do this big box and opening and showing in front of y'all. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Alright y'all, so I got the moon boot. What was it called? Hold on. The moon boot style that I got was the Protecht high top black rubber boots, and I got it in the size European 38. They go by a European sizing. There is a size chart for each style of boot because I think it varies, but I believe the nylon styles are ambidextrous, so that means that you could put like your left foot and the right foot and the right foot and the left foot. Basically, whatever shoe it is, it will fit both feet. Like, you don't, there's no specific left foot or left boot and a right boot. So those are the ambidextrous boots, and I think it's the nylon styles, I believe. I'm not too sure about, put the pictures here. I know it's these styles that are in the ambidextrous. But as for this one that I have, there's a left boot and a right boot. So definitely make sure you wear it left and right. The price of this boot was $275. Moon boot ranges from about 150, I think, and then up to like 700s, depending on the collab and depending on the style and everything like that. Like, they have a boot with Chloe, and they also have a boot with someone else. It is really nice, like this cow print kind of style. I really like it a lot. They have different types of sizes. They got the high boot, which I have. I really wanted a high boot, especially for the snow. I didn't want anything like mid or short. I want to make sure it's covering at least majority of my lower leg, so snow doesn't get in. So that's what I got. I definitely do want to get the short boot because it does look cute just as like a winter shoe just to walk around, even if it's not in the snow. one style that particularly caught my eye on their site. So yeah, this is really rubber. Like, this is rubber. I'm kind of nervous because I see creases, but when you stretch it out, it goes away, so I'm not even tripping. But what I definitely love about this boot is that it's waterproof. Some of their boots are water resistant, but I really wanted a waterproof boot because if I'm gonna be in the snow, I don't want, you know, water won't get in, the snow won't get in at all. Water resistant can only take up so much water, and then after that, yeah. So I got the waterproof one. I really like it. It's dope. It looks really nice. I really like how subtle the moon boot is here. It's like in a matte black. This can really pair pretty much with anything. Why am I sneezing? Oh my gosh, I hate the winter. Anyways, this boot can really pair with anything in my closet, my winter closet. So I really like that because it's black and also it's matte and simple, and it's not too much going on. I definitely do want like a bright color snow boot. So yeah, this size looks so small. I keep forgetting I have small feet. Like, it's so funny. I'm a size US 7 in women, so it's so funny when I see my foot size because this looks pretty tiny. Pretty tiny, but I can't wait to try this on. Hopefully it fits because I just unpacked this and I leave for the trip soon. So basic standard stuffing in the shoe. This feels like it would be warm. It's kind of like I don't know, it's soft in there. It's very soft. So it feels kind of loose, but then again, let me go ahead and put on the thick socks. But I really like the way they look on me. Like, these look kind of dope. They look kind of dope. And it was free shipping because it's free shipping over $250 and this was $275. And they do have it in an olive color and a cream color. But I really like the way these look. Like, these look fire, bro. Well, you can't really tie it that tight, but I'm tying it. Let's see. Because it's more so, it feels like it's big, but then, I mean, I have only a tiny bit of space in the front. I don't know, it's weird. Maybe I just have small feet. Let me go try it with the socks and see how that goes. So, take this off. So I just layered it with my fuzzy socks. You guys can see. Like that. So I'm about to try it on. Okay, much better, guys. So you definitely have to wear some thick socks with these and not like some regular socks. This is snug now. Like, this is so much better, guys. Like, I feel very snug. So I'm glad that worked out in the end. I'm loving them. I can't wait to flick it up. I hope it goes well with the outfits that I have planned for. Hopefully. Okay, but these look so fire and so like street and cute, and I feel like I could wear it not just only as a snow boot, but just like a boot, you know, do something real cute with it. Okay, but I'm really digging this. Satisfied with my purchase. I can't wait to wear this. Y'all definitely gonna see that vlog when I'm on my trip. But I purchased my moon boot from the Moonboots site. I know Amazon carries some of the styles, but I didn't feel like purchasing on Amazon, especially when you purchase it somewhere else. Sometimes the price can fluctuate. So I was just like, let me just purchase from the original site. And shipping was really good. Like, shipping, it came fast. Like, I was so nervous, but I purchased it like during Black Friday's weekend. They didn't have any sale or anything. But I purchased it over Black Friday's weekend and then got the item like Monday or something. It was quick. I placed the order on November 27th and then I got my tracking on November 29th and then I received the item December 2nd. So that was a really good time frame right there, especially since it's coming from Italy. Like, what? That came quick. Okay. They're made in Romania, I read on the box, but I think the company is based in Italy. I think so. But all I know is their boots are so fire. I've seen many celebrities wearing these as well as influencers. And a quick another thing I wanted to just say, I feel like the cutting and the construction of it could have been a little bit better and neater, just a little bit. Other than that, like, I mean, really, I'm not too mad about it, but it looks like they could have like trimmed it just a little bit more even and more cleaner, especially on the toe area. It looks kind of, you know, as you guys can see, jagged. And then this is what the inside, just a closer look of what the inside looks like. It gets really, really warm as you are wearing it. Like, it's fleece lined in here and it's fur all over, and it gets you really, really warm. So I really like that. I don't think it adds any height into my height. I don't think it elevates me at all. It feels like it, but I'm not sure. Other than that, these are really great. These are so nice. These are so dope, and I'm so glad I got this colorway. And how I just really like how subtle the moon boot says across from it. Like, amazing. Definitely like that a lot. So I'm glad I spent this almost $300 on these. $275 to be exact. I'm not mad at these. These are great. I definitely could see myself even wearing it in places that it's not snowing, just regular cold places. Like, these can create fits. I love how military, edgy, I don't even know what to even call it, like military kind of look. My boyfriend said it looks like cosplay shoes, but he really loves them too, and his friend loves them as well. So I'm really glad I already got some great feedback so far from these shoes. So that's how you know, like, these are the way. I'm definitely gonna take this tag off. It's just, I think it's just like a certification tag, I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but it has the word moon boot on it. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off. I think it's just to show it's certified. I don't know about Amazon, if you purchase it on Amazon, because I know you're gonna be purchasing from resellers. I'm not sure if Moon Boot has an actual storefront on Amazon. And honestly, with these like name brands and very like expensive items, I say you should purchase directly from the site and not Amazon, because sometimes Amazon be taxing. And also, just get it from the original site. Like, why do you need to go on Amazon for? Like, we all love Amazon, but you don't need to. It's okay, just go to the original site. So yeah, other than that, this feels like a really good material. Hopefully this holds up. It is rubber, so I think I should be fine. But yeah, I really, wow, that was very disrespectful. Okay, but I really like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, these are so dope. I can't wait to wear them. So I'm really happy with these boots. I can't wait to style them and show you guys and everything like that. Definitely follow me on Instagram so you guys can see how I style these boots, how I'm gonna wear it and everything like that. I don't know if I'll make a dedicated video on here. Y'all let me know in the comment box below if you guys want me to make a dedicated video to styling moon boots, whether it's casual or actually for like a snowboarding trip or something like that. I'll be open to it. I'll try it, maybe put out like a few outfits, but y'all let me know in the comment box below. Comment if you want me to make a dedicated styling video with these shoes. I'll definitely love to do that. And if you guys have any other questions about these shoes, feel free to ask me. I really don't mind answering them, or even going on Google to look for the answer for you. I don't mind. Definitely engage with my video and let me know if you have any questions. So that should be it for this video. I think I covered it all. I haven't done like a shoe review in such a long time, so this might not be lengthy, which is okay. It doesn't need to be lengthy, but I'm really happy I got me some snow boots. And these are really warm, guys. Like, I'm getting really, really warm. And the box is so cute. The box is so cute. So really happy I have these in my closet. Highly recommend, especially if you just want some boots, snow boots, okay? Some cute, fashionable snow boots. Highly recommend. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you guys for continually liking my videos and watching them. Like, we are growing here and it's making me happy. Oh my gosh. I'm in this video right after I got off of work. That's dedication. Knowing me, I would go to bed, but I'm here. So it's like late night right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for all the love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. Please hit that subscribe button. That big red button that you see down below, hit it, make sure it turns gray, and also don't forget to turn on that notification bell, okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.